Here we come to the elevator at the Southside Garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is an older Otis Series 1 from 1986. I believe that's when the year it was installed. I nearly almost forgot about filming this elevator, but finally I get to, and it's still original. No indicator. Forward. It's an Otis. On the one. I might go for one more ride depending on how well the battery is going to hold. Made a little bit of noise on the way down. Oh, looks like that braille looks like it's been replaced. Unfortunately, the floor indicator is burned out. Look up in the ceiling, high. Also, one thing I've noticed, the fan is off, so we can hear the motor well. The first time I filmed this elevator, the fan was really loud, I think. I don't remember. All right, back down to one end there. Not a bad ride, anyways. All right, there it goes. And that's it.